Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by collecting what the AI needs. Give it specs, sample files, and a minimal dataset so outputs are grounded. Once done, define clear scope, objectives, deliverables, timeline, and target file format so the model can organize content. Then craft your first prompt. State the AI's role, required sections, constraints, and a short example of the final structure. Make sure to include file naming rules and any templates. This reduces iterations and gets you useful first drafts fast. You now have the prompt. Ask the AI to produce a folder tree, file list, and a metadata file in JSON or YAML so tools can parse it. Next, instruct it to generate the content, README with goals, code stubs or templates, and documentation sections that map to deliverables. Once you review the first pass, iterate, point out specifics, paste short examples, and request targeted revisions. Doing quick cycles refines structure and ensures each file matches your conventions and tooling. You're finishing. Assemble the generated files into the target package, verify metadata integrity, and export as zip or your project format. Once packed, run quick validations. Open sample files, run linters, and confirm dependencies are listed correctly, so the package is usable immediately. If something breaks, the most common issue is mismatched schema. In that case, update the prompt to be stricter, regenerate only the affected files, or patch them manually. Keep a change log so you can revert changes if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.